Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going through the site and following the process of purchasing a course, then also noting out some issues that occur along the way. So I clicked on the button which led to this page which shows all the courses. But then on going back home and clicking on the courses menu at the top, we see that they are actually taking us to two different pages. So the all courses menu at the top and the view courses button, they are taking us to two different pages. They both show the courses, but one shows all of the courses and one only shows 9 courses. So this page only shows 9 courses. It was designed, but the courses were not showed in full. So if you scroll down, we only get 12 courses. You only get 12 courses that are shown, and that's all. But on the other page, it shows everything. It doesn't have that design at the top, but it shows all the courses. And you can also go uh, to the next page to view the other courses. So you have page one, page two. So that's the thing that needs to be fixed. So both of them should link to one page, and it should also have all the courses available, not just a few. So now we'll be going ahead with purchasing a course to see how students or customers come in and to check how the customer journey is. We'll be purchasing this first course. We had to change the price to $1 so we can test it out. So here we can see the course details, everything is scheduled. Then we can add to cart. We can also share and save it to our wish list. So we'll be adding it to cart now, and it takes us to the cart page immediately. And you can see the button at the top is not properly shown well. That button should lead back to all the courses in case you want to add more courses to their cart. So here they can add a coupon code if they have a coupon code available, and they can check out. So in the checking out place, you can fill in their details, which is what we're doing here. You can also add additional notes for us to see on the dashboard. So here I just filling in the details. So now I've filled in all the necessary things to fill out when creating our account. Then we just have to create our password here, which we have done. Then we notice that we cannot actually select a username. We cannot create a username. So that is something that most people would like to do. So here I'm filling the card details to purchase the course. So we can save our card or just place order directly. And that has been done completed. Now we checked the email but we couldn't see any notification. So even after the payment was made, we couldn't get any notification. And the change course button at the top. This option should only be there if the user is allowed to change their course for what they paid. But clicking on the button now just takes us back to the courses page and it only allows us to purchase another course, not changing the course. So the button should be changed to something else. Then we also notice that it looks like we are not logged in, but we are logged in. So the login and register button and menus are still showing at the top, even though we are logged in, and the dashboard menu is not visible. So people don't know that they are logged in or not, and people cannot access their dashboard. So what we had to do was to type the dashboard URL to actually go there, which should not be. So the menu should be visible at the top. So this is the dashboard. And as you can see, the courses enrolled are 0 and 0, even though we had already purchased a course. So this is our profile. The username was created for us and we cannot edit it. The phone number was not also there. And we go to our enrolled courses just to make sure if the course is there or not. And that you see that no course has been enrolled. Then active courses too shows nothing. So which means the course is not active on our dashboard. So we're going to our order history and we see that the course is still processing. So even after the payment has been made successfully, the course is still processing. Which means every time someone wants to order a course, after ordering it, someone on the dashboard has to approve and complete the order, which should not be, because if you are getting over 100 orders per day, you cannot handle everything in that same day. So it should be an automatic completed order rather than manually. So here we are going to change the order to completed so that the cost can be visible on the person's account. So that has been done. We'll go back to the dashboard now to check if it's going to reflect on the dashboard. So if we reload the page, it should say completed. Yes. And now if we go to our dashboard or enrolled courses, we should see the course that we just purchased. So it is under enrolled courses and we can start. Then active courses also, and it's also visible on the dashboard. So clicking there to edit our profile and set profile picture, the user can set his profile picture, cover photo, and edit the details. But you cannot edit username, and I wasn't the one that created the username. Most people would like to create a custom username for themselves, not having it being created for them. So I can change my display name and update it. I can add a bio, and I can change my password. Then we also have the social profiles page, which you can link or connect your social media account just for people to be able to view your social media accounts. You can input your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your LinkedIn link, your website, your GitHub. You can just save it. So that is basically all that can be done, and all the issues that need to be solved to make the customer journey a better journey.